Okay, this is part 2 of my knife collection, my folding knife collection. I recently put into a display case and I'm making a video of it. I left off with the Kershaw. That does that. Unique. And it's got a place to hang in the belt. Like I say, I don't carry it. It's can't really open it one hand. It's not shaped. It will cut through a rope real easy with the serrated, and it's a very well made knife, and I'm happy to have it. And like I say, made in USA. Now this is a made in China. Very well made. One hand opening. It's made of M390 stainless. And very slim, very elegant knife. I like it. It fits in the pocket very nicely. Has a pocket clip. Handle material is titanium, so it's very lightweight. And it's a very good knife. I like it a lot. Very, very pointy, very sharp. Holds an edge very well. And it's, the other thing about it, it has ball bearings inside there. Very tiny little set of ball bearings. And everything perfectly straight, perfectly machined, everything just right. Very, very good knife. Very happy with it. This is something my wife bought me at the International Spy Museum. It's got a screwdriver for tightening up your glasses. It's supposed to fit in your wallet or use as a money clip. And I never use it. It's just too big in the wallet, and I don't carry a money clip. Got a pen, ballpoint pen. It's got tweezers. It's got a pair of scissors. And the scissors cut pretty good. And nail file and screwdriver. This one, come on, why don't it open? There it goes. That's the actual knife blade. Polished up nice. It's sharp. I never used it, and I never carried it. Just something unique. That feels unique. Maybe everybody carries it. I don't know, but I think it's interesting. It's almost like this Swiss Army, and I got a really good set of scissors on it. Yeah, but I'd had this on the keychain for a while, and that's can't quite Victorinox. That was genuine Swiss Army. And I went on the keychain. Carried down a keychain for a while. I cut back on the size of my keychain, so that came off it and went into the box. That's just a Chinese thing. It's miniature. It works. Never broke on me. Don't carry it too much. Once in a while, I'll throw it in my pocket if I think I might need a pair of pliers. Gonna find out, is that rust or is that dirt? It might be a rust forming. It's supposed to be stainless, but that doesn't always mean anything. That's about it. This is made by Ken Onion. I like the shape and design of it. It's a CRKT again. Again, and one that was made in the USA. That's about it. Oh, there's another one. This is, I used to carry this on my jet ski, just in case I had to carry a line or something. It's all stainless, and you can put on a necklace, and it's right there, and it's serrated, so it goes right through rope or fishing line, anything like that. And that's a cold steel, and it's made in Japan. Cold Steel, Ventura, California. And I say, goes on a necklace. You hardly know it's there, and if you need it, it's a very good knife. That's about the end of it. So, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Go back see part 1 if you haven't seen part 1. Well, that's it. See you in the next video.